Have you ever wondered if there is a Play Store for your PC like Android and iOS devices have their Google Play Store and Apple Play Store? Yes, it exists and is completely free. So stay till the end of this video. Welcome to my channel Andew'sPC, and in this video I'll show you how to install Play Store on PC for free in 2021. So go to your browser, search for PC App Store download. Okay, go to the first one, come here, download. Okay, so let's just pick US. Okay, so let's wait for the countdown. Okay, so it's downloaded. So before we install, please follow me on Instagram, TikTok, add me on Snapchat, and join my Telegram channel to get the latest updates. Links in the description below. So let's open this. Check the okay, install. It's moving. Okay, so it's installed. So let's wait for the app to open. Let's close this. Okay, so the app now is open. So see, we have games here. You have your PC games here. Things for the internet, free download manager, Microsoft OneDrive, BitTorrent. We have browsers here: Google Chrome, Firefox, Google Chrome, DV, Opera, Mini, Spark browser, Internet Explorer, Torch. You have your audio, you have your video, you have your CD and DVD tools, you have your security, you have desktop, communications, utilities, graphics, office application, education, homes and hobbies. You see, you have a lot, just like the way you have on your Play Store and iOS, Apple Store. You understand? You still have for your PC. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you have any question or suggestions or contents you want to see, leave it to the comment section below or contact me on any of my social media handles. If you want to learn more about Microsoft application and other cool stuffs you can do free on your PC and on the internet, stay tuned to my channel as I'll be releasing more contents. For more information about this video, check the description below.